Have you ever stopped to consider the impact your garden might be having on our planet? It's a sobering thought. Our environment is in a delicate state, and traditional gardening methods can contribute to this predicament. Think about water waste from over-irrigation, chemical runoff from synthetic fertilizers, and the deforestation that occurs for new garden spaces. These practices, although common, are far from harmless. But what if there was an alternative way to maintain our gardens while also preserving the environment? Introducing sustainable landscaping, a practice that seeks to reduce the negative environmental impact of our gardens. This green solution is more than just a trend. It's a way of life that brings us closer to nature and helps us live more sustainably. Sustainable landscaping is all about making conscious decisions. It starts with the conservation of water, employing techniques like drought-resistant planting and efficient irrigation systems. This not only saves our valuable water resources, but also lessens the strain on our wallets. Moreover, sustainable landscaping means reducing the use of harmful chemicals. By opting for organic fertilizers and natural pest control, we protect our soil, the insects that pollinate our plants, and ultimately, our health. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of sustainable landscaping is the promotion of local biodiversity. By planting native species, we provide habitats for local wildlife and help maintain balanced ecosystems. By adopting sustainable landscaping practices, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Making a positive change starts with small steps. Imagine transforming your garden into a sustainable haven, one that reduces environmental impact and flourishes naturally. Start with easy changes like incorporating native plants that thrive in your local climate and require less water. Consider composting your organic waste to enrich your soil. Think about installing a rain barrel, a simple way to conserve water. Every small step counts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about more ways to make a positive impact on our environment.